Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome to my channel. I am so excited for you to join me today. We are outside, and I don't know about where you guys live, but where I live, the weather here hasn't been that great, especially on the weekends when I want to be outside. So I am taking any opportunity that I can to be outside and enjoy the weather. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I hope that you stick around. Hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell so that you don't miss out on any of the fun videos that we do. If you are returning, welcome back. I really do appreciate you guys joining me for these unboxings. I have a new unboxing today, and it's called Fashom. So I actually don't know too much about Fashom because it's new to me. I found it when I've been watching videos of other people's unboxings, and I decided to try it myself. So what I do know about Fashom is that it was just an app that you went on, you filled out a style profile just like you do for many of the other styling services that are out there, and they kind of send you items based on that style profile. What's different about Fashom is that the stylist sent me some options through the app that I kind of got to choose to ship out to me. So this was a couple weeks ago, so I can't really remember exactly what I picked, but I did have some sort of say, which was nice, so that if I didn't like anything, she would send me some more items to choose from in the app. So I think that's a little different touch than some of the other styling services that are out there. So I'm super excited to try this styling service. I believe that your first 3 months with Fashom are free as far as the styling fee. And then after 3 months, you pay $15. That's what I remember from this service. I opened up my box, I already cut it open. I didn't go through everything yet. So let's start going through and see what's inside. So the first thing I have is this cute little envelope. It says, "Hello, beautiful." And inside it looks like I have some instructions on what to do. So it lays out very nicely what the next steps are. So it looks like you try everything on, in the comfort of your own home. You know I'm huge on that. You buy what you like, you send back the rest. This is really nice with Fashom too. If you buy 3 or more items, you get a 25% off discount. Most of the time, you've got to buy at least 5 or all of the items to get a discount. So that's a great little perk with this company. I'm liking this. Using the prepaid mailer, mail back the rest. You can exchange, it looks like. If they have the right size, they'll send it. And then let them know what you think, so you got to give them feedback just like you do, so they know what to send you next time or what not to send you next time. So that was that, and then it also looks like it has a pricing sheet inside with what everything is, so I will go through this after. So I'm super excited to see what's in my box and see how my stylist did. You know I love unboxings, you know I love this kind of stuff, so let's get started. Oh, just kidding. Here's the mailer. The mailer was the next thing that was in the box. So I love that the convenience of these styling services, because if there's something in this box that I don't like, all I have to do is stick it in this mailer and drop it off at the post office. It's so easy. Returns couldn't be easier with these subscription services. So I am a huge fan for so many reasons, this being one of them, for the convenience. So I love it. Okay, now here we go. So here's my first item. This is like a nice off-white blouse. It's by Vince Camuto. I actually like Vince Camuto. I think I have some of his shoes. So it's an off-white blouse, long sleeve. The name of it is, I'm so sorry, I think it's just a layered blouse. So it's a Vince Camuto layered blouse, and it's antique white. So it's not a pure white, it's kind of an off-white. It's really pretty. These look like they're going to be some great pieces to wear to work. So I'm excited to try this on. Next, I have, also by Vince Camuto. Oh, I'm liking this. Look at the beautiful blue color. I bet this is cobalt blue, and I love cobalt blue. Vivid blue. It's a vivid blue. And it looks like it's a tank, and it looks like it's layered. I'm not sure if you guys can see the layering. And then the back has a nice little keyhole detail, which I really like. So it looks like this is just the, it says Modern Edit Fashion Vivid Blue by Vince Camuto. This is really pretty. Next, I have Faith and Joy, and it's a cute little tank. Floral print. I've been getting a lot of florals in my subscription boxes, so I might have to start making notes to my stylist that I kind of have to fall back a little bit on the florals because my closet is full of florals. But I do love them, so I'm not complaining. I just have a lot, so I might have to cut back. So it looks like it's black, and then the floral is like a white and red floral. It's got this great little detail here in the front where it's like a kind of a keyhole cut front, but it has like a little gold bar, which is really a nice accent. Probably couldn't wear a necklace with this because of that, but that's okay. So I'm excited to try this one on too. Next, I have some pants. It looks like, I think these are navy. My favorite navy pants right now are one of my Stitch Fix pants. They're tribal. I love them, and I wish I could have them in so many more colors. I asked my stylist, sorry, I'm going off on a rant. A little side note, my stylist to send me some, but they didn't have any other colors, so I'm excited to try these on too. These are the Counterparts pants, and they're navy. They need to be ironed. I can tell that off the bat, but they're just a basic trouser or pant, it looks like. The back has like kind of what looks like they're packed. They're not really pockets that you can use, but they kind of have that detail in the back, which is nice. I don't like a flat back really for pants. And it's a zip front. So I'm excited to try these on. And they're, I think I said they're in navy. I probably already said that. And then last, ooh, these are different. I don't think I own any patterned pants other than like those palazzo, is that what they're called? Palazzo pants? I don't know. These are kind of fun. They're polka dot. They are Jennifer and Grace. And I think they're just a straight leg polka dot pant. So, ooh, I'm excited to try this on. This is different for me. So do they have a zip? Oh, I think they're just pull on. Like they're just a pull on pant and they stretch. Ooh. I'm excited to try these polka dot pants on. So those are my items. One of the things that I love about these styling services is that they send you stuff. Like I may not have gone and picked these off the rack if I went to the store. So I like that they send you things that you may have never thought about pulling for yourself, and then you try them on at home, and if you don't like it, fine, you send it back. But if you like it, it kind of broadens your style a little bit. So my closet is becoming a little bit more broad as far as the items that I have in it. So I'm really excited about that. So I'm gonna go try these items on. I'll show you what they look like. We'll make some decisions, and I'm loving this buy 3 25% off discount. I think I'm gonna take advantage. I hope I can take advantage of that. By the looks of it, there's a few things that I may keep. So let's see how they look on. Okay, I'm back, and I have on the Vince Camuto Vivid Blue tank. This tank is $40. I looked at the pricing sheet. I'm not sure about this tank. I'm not thrilled about it. I don't really think it does anything for me. I think it's pretty. This here, these layering pieces, not sure how I feel about that style. I know I keep playing with them and blowing them up, but I don't know. I'll leave it so you can really see the tank. I'm sorry. But I don't know, you guys. I don't think I like it on me. I don't know. It's not something that I grab to go out to like dinner or to go out with my friends or to go shopping or to run errands. It's something that I'd more grab, I think, to go to work in, which is fine because I do need work pieces. But I don't even know if this is something that I'd grab in my closet. I do love the color, but I don't know. You guys let me know what you think in the comments, and maybe, you know, if I watch it back in the video, I'll have a different opinion, but let me know. Okay, I'm back, and I have on the Faith and Joy. I think it's Faith and Joy. Let me just double check before I give you the wrong information. Yep, it's the Faith and Joy floral blouse. So this is a tank. I think it's okay. I went inside and my mom loves it. So I don't know. I think it's very comfortable. It's very soft. It does have, the material has a little bit of stretch to it. I like the detail in the front where it's a solid line down the front. I kind of think that's flattering. And I love this detail here in the neck where it's like a gold bar with a little keyhole cutout. I think it's very flattering. And I like this type of neckline because it doesn't feel like I have something like kind of choking me. I don't like anything too close to my neck, but this is okay. And the price, I don't know if I told you, but it's $34, which is not bad. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about this tank too. I think it's pretty, but I don't know if it's just the floral and I'm sick of florals or if that's what it is. But you let me know what you think in the comments. Okay guys, I had to switch up the angle a little bit because where I was you couldn't see the full outfit. I really didn't want you guys to see the whole outfit. As you can tell by my tone of voice, I can't really hide anything, so I'm sorry. At least you know I'm being honest. I hate this outfit. I think it just does nothing for me. The shirt is the Vince Camuto shirt, and I was hoping this might work for me because I need like a couple blouses for the fall for work. It's $46 and it's not bad. I feel like it's a little bit big and maybe that's why I'm on the fence about it. The arms have a lot of room and it's really like doing nothing for me. I'm just like, oh, okay, let's move on to the next one. I also put on the pants. These were the counterpart tummy, I think they called them the tummy control pants. No, they do control my tummy, okay? But look how big they are. I mean, if you can see the legs, I don't have shoes on, but I think even with shoes, they'd be too long and they're so wide. I don't think wide pants are good for me because of my figure. And they're really big. I have a lot of room. I don't know if you can see. Not only are they stretchy, but I have a lot of room in these. So, no. But I wish they worked because these pants, you guys, they're only 30 bucks. I don't know. I think they would be great if maybe they had a straight leg, or maybe if I had a smaller size, I'd feel differently about them. I just can't wait to get out of this outfit, and I think that you guys are going to say the same thing to me in the comment section. But when I watch the video, maybe I'll change my mind. I don't think so, but I can't wait to try on those polka dot pants. So that's what I'm going to do now, and I'll come back and I'll show you how those look. Okay, I'm back and I have on these cute Jennifer and Grace. These are the polka dot pants. They're the pull-on pants. So I'm loving these. I might keep these. These are super comfortable. They have a good amount of stretch in them. For my pants, I like to be comfortable. I don't like to feel like suffocated and like my pants are so stiff. I like these. So I might keep these to wear to work. I'm not sure. I'm not convinced, but I don't own anything like this. And I think that's why I'm hesitant, because it's kind of out of my comfort zone. So I don't know. I paired it with a piece that you guys have probably seen on me before from Stitch Fix. It's the only white blouse that I had cleaned to kind of try it on with. I'm kind of liking it. So I'm really curious to watch the camera back or the video back to see what they look like on camera, because that always gives me a different perspective on if I'm going to keep them or not, or if I like them on me or not. And as always, I know I'm saying this after every try on, I want to know what you think. I really do care, and I really do take that into consideration, because sometimes I think feedback from others can really, like, you know, make or break the deal. Although at the end of the day, it's all about what I like and what I feel comfortable in. If I like it, then I'm going to keep it. But I do like to hear what other people think too. So I don't know. You might see me with some polka dot pants in the future. $36, not bad for pants that are comfortable and they fit me like a glove. So you may see me in them. Okay, so I'm back for the recap, and I didn't change. I kept on my polka dot pants and I kept on my favorite Stitch Fix shirt. I love this Stitch Fix shirt. I feel like if I could wear it every day, I would. Anyway, I liked Fashom. I think it was pretty good for my first box. Obviously, there's some things that, you know, I wasn't a fan of, which you clearly saw that with one of the try-ons. But I'm excited to see what my next couple of boxes bring me, and I feel like as my stylist gets to know me better, they will get more personalized to my style. So I'm excited about that. So I am going to make some decisions. I think I have 3 days, but I'm going to make some decisions today so I can mail it tomorrow. And I will be sure to leave my stylist some detailed feedback so she knows next time what to send me, what not to send me. I found it very helpful for my other subscription boxes to put like, I would have bought this if, and kind of using those types of statements. And I've really seen improvements in the pieces I've gotten after leaving that type of feedback. So that's a good tip to think about if you do these services, to leave feedback. If you're interested in Fashom, I'm gonna leave the link below so that you can learn more about it. It's risk-free right now because if I don't like anything in this box, I didn't pay a styling fee, so I can send everything back and not lose anything. That's great. Where can you do that? So I highly recommend that you try it out. After the first 3 months, I think I mentioned it before, but I'll mention it again just in case, you pay $15 for your styling fee, which does get applied to any item that you purchase. So I'm really excited about it. Things I love about Fashom, the price points. I think that Fashom is so much more affordable than some of the other styling services that are out there. So I like that about Fashom. I also like that you get the perk of the 25% off discount just for keeping 3 items. Normally you have to keep all 5. So I like that about Fashom. And I also like that I got to give some input in the beginning of the process when my stylist sent out some options in the app. So I thought that was really cool. So I'm excited to see what I get next month. I'll be sure, of course, to share that with you. But in the meantime, please share your feedback with me. Help me out a little bit. Let me know what you think. As always, stay tuned because I've got some more boxes on the way. And I hope that you enjoy the beautiful weather. Well, I hope it's beautiful where you are too. I heard that it's going to rain here this afternoon, so I'm super disappointed about that. But I'm going to enjoy the weather while it lasts. Hope that you enjoy the rest of your day. Stay tuned for more unboxings, more videos. I think I'm doing some skincare soon because I am so into skincare and I want to share that with you. So I will see you all later and enjoy the rest of your day.